भवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्।
नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। अब हम सत्संग आज के विषय में प्रवेश करेंगे। आज हम जीवन का तीसरा तत्व उत्तरदायित्व या जिम्मेदारी कैसे आपके धन एवं संपत्ति को विस्तारित करता है, इसके बारे में बात करेंगे। I'll expand on how the third principle of life, responsibility, expands your wealth and possessions. I'll define responsibility once again. Responsibility, living and responding to life from the truth that you are the source of, and therefore you are responsible for all happenings in and around you. उत्तरदायित्व या जिम्मेदारी उठाने का परिभाषा पुनः सुनिए। उत्तरदायित्व या जिम्मेदारी उठाने का अर्थ है जीवन को इस सत्य के साथ जीना और प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करना कि आपके अंदर और बाहर होने वाले सभी परिस्थितियों का मूल कारण एवं उत्तरदायी आप स्वयं है। Only when you feel you are the root, you are responsible, you are even feeling empowered about the possibility of change. Please understand. Only when you feel the possibility of change, you also decide even to think about why you are where you are. Only when you think why you are where you are, you start looking into the possibilities of future life in a different way. उत्तरदायित्व या जिम्मेदारी उठाने का परिभाषा पुनः सुनिए। उत्तरदायित्व या जिम्मेदारी उठाने का अर्थ है जीवन को इस सत्य के साथ जीना और प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करना कि आपके अंदर और बाहर होने वाली सभी परिस्थितियों का मूल कारण एवं उत्तरदायी आप स्वयं हैं। केवल जब आप अपने जीवन में होने वाली सभी परिस्थितियों का स्वयं को मूल आधार समझने लगते हैं, तभी आप रूपांतर लाने की संभावना को देख पाएंगे। You will start looking into the truth. You will start even looking for solution. You will even start seeing the possibility of solution. Listen, when you sit, you are responsible for everything. With that cognition, automatically your inner space will have the intuition to solve the problems you created for yourself. Awaken yourself not to have further problems. I tell you, sitting with the cognition you are responsible for everything is the first step for unclutching. Sometime in the meditation programs, I ask people to sit for hours. You may think you sit for hours but you don't unclutch. How? Why? Because still you come to the space you are responsible for everything. The completion with you does not happen. Completion with others does not happen. You don't become leader. Ishwaratva is not achieved. Understand, only after Ishwaratva is achieved, unclutching is possible. When you sit with the cognition, you are responsible for everything. You have the intuition to do the right actions in future, and you complete your past. The beauty is you realize the Ishwaratva is your very nature. Constantly the Ishwaratva, being leader, the leadership consciousness is your very inner space. When you feel leadership consciousness, Ishwaratva in your inner space, life becomes miraculous. That is what I call completion with you and the world. Only then you can sit unclutched in Nirvikalpa Samadhi. When you feel you are responsible for everything, you will start looking into the truth. You will start looking into the solution. You will start seeing the possibility for the solution. Only when you take the responsibility, you find the solution. I tell you, in every situation, take responsibility. You will have the leadership consciousness happening through you. Ishwaratva. I tell you, when you take responsibility, the leadership consciousness starts oozing out.
Inner awakening. Stunning health recoveries. 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? Disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation, Paramahamsa Nityananda, May 8th to May 28th, 2013, Nityananda Dhyanapita, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Contact
0802 727 9999.
Email ia@nityananda.org.
Nityanandam. I am Jai Krishna. I am from Bangalore. So far the experience has been the ultimate in the inner awakening. I realized that unclutching is my true state. I don't have to do anything for it. More than all these states that I have experienced, what I really experienced with Swami in close quarters is Swami taught me how to eat like a mother, and he gave me the reason why I need to eat with my hands like a father. That is the experience that I would be taking away, the best experience that I would be taking away from this inner awakening. The greatest opportunity that anyone could get from these 21 days is you get to be in close quarters with Swamiji, you get to eat with him, you get to talk with him, you get to ask your most intimate questions and get the solutions that what you need. That is something which I was not expecting apart from meditation, able to do meditation and clutching. These are all the expectations. But being able to be with Swami in such close quarters is something that I didn't expect, and that is the best thing that anyone can have. So that's what should be my takeaway from the entire Inner Awakening program.
To make your life bliss, just these 4 principles are enough. The life bliss truths. The amount of people getting enriched with these truths, unimaginable. When you take responsibility, you are in the space of achieving it, doing it. When you are in the space of responsibility, your verbalization, visualization, inner space, everything supports you. Whole universe supports you, because universe experiences its fulfillment through the cognitions which feels responsible. When you don't feel responsible, you are dropped in the ocean. When you feel responsible, you are ocean in the drop. Now I can see how the leadership consciousness expresses. When you take responsibility, listen. Even if you take one step towards the responsibility, Cosmos takes 1,000 steps taking responsibility for you. जब आप उत्तरदायित्व नहीं लेते हैं, तब आप संसार सागर में डूब जाते हैं. जब आप उत्तरदायित्व लेते हैं, तब आप एक अनुभूति करते हैं कि आप संसार सागर में जीवन का एक अनोखा बूंद है. जब आप उत्तरदायित्व नहीं उठाते हैं, आप महासागर में एक बूंद है. जब आप उत्तरदायित्व उठाते हैं, आप बूंद में एक महासागर है. When you take the responsibility, the cosmic hologram opens in you. Please understand the principle of hologram. When you see the whole, you will see an image. When you go deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper, even the smallest bit will be the same image. When you see the whole sheet, it will be the same image. When you go into, dissect, you will see the same image till the end. Macrocosm is in microcosm, microcosm is in macrocosm, is hologram. Cosmos is built on the structure of hologram. You are the microcosmic hologram of the macrocosmic diagram. The microcosmic hologram is awakened the moment you take the responsibility. जब आप लगातार उत्तरदायित्व को लेते हैं, तब आप ब्रह्मांड की रहस्य का छेद कर पाएंगे. रहस्य का छेद कर पाएंगे. लिसन, ध्यान से सुनिए, पुनः सुनिए. जब आप लगातार उत्तरदायित्व को लेते हैं, तब आप ब्रह्मांड की रहस्य का छेद कर पाएंगे. ब्रह्मांड में पिंडांड एवं पिंडांड में ब्रह्मांड ही ब्रह्मांड का होलोग्राम है. ब्रह्मांड में पिंडांड एवं पिंडांड में ब्रह्मांड ही ब्रह्मांड का होलोग्राम है. feel responsible. After you feel responsible for everything, the disciplehood happens in you is trustworthy disciplehood. Till you feel you are responsible for everything, any decision you make, even if you feel you are surrendering, it can't be trusted. You are dangerous. You may be falling at the feet just to pull the feet, pull the leg, not to worship. जब आप उत्तरदायित्व की स्थिति में स्थापित होते हैं, तब आप यह अनुभव करेंगे कि पूरी ब्रह्मांड आप में सम्मिलित है। जब आप उत्तरदायित्व की स्थिति में स्थापित होते हैं, तब आप यह अनुभव करेंगे कि पूरी ब्रह्मांड आप में सम्मिलित है। पूरी ब्रह्मांड का मूल आधार आप स्वयं है। Not just for your job, wealth and family. When you feel responsible for whatever is happening with your knowledge, you become man. When you feel responsible for whatever is happening beyond your knowledge, you become God. When you feel responsible even for the avyakta, unmanifested, you become God. Achieving divinity means feeling responsible, feeling constantly responsible. Responsibility changes the way you think. It changes the way you perceive. It changes the way you feel. It changes the way you are. Responsibility changes everything. The way you internalize life. Responsibility changes the way you internalize life. You start internalizing with the idea of solving. केवल अपने परिवार, व्यापार एवं स्वयं की धन संपत्ति के लिए ही नहीं, जब आप अपने ज्ञान का उत्तरदायित्व लेते हैं, तब आप मानव बनते हैं। जब आप पूरी ब्रह्मांड का ज्ञान के लिए उत्तरदायित्व लेते हैं, तब आप स्वयं ईश्वर बन जाते हैं। You are responsible for everything. Science of making you responsible not only makes your life bliss, it makes the whole world blissful. जब तक आप ये अनुभव नहीं करें कि सभी चीजों के लिए आप उत्तरदायी है, यदि आप आत्मसमर्पण भी करें, आप पर विश्वास नहीं किया जा सकता है। ओ खतरनाक को हो सकता है। आपका चरण चुना भी पूजा के लिए नहीं, परंतु चरण खींचने के लिए हो सकता है। जब आप स्वयं अपने आप को अव्यक्त के लिए उत्तरदायी मानते हैं, तब आप भगवान बन जाते हैं। जिम्मेदारी ले जब आप पूरी तरह से उत्तरदायित्व का अनुभव करते हैं, तभी आपका शिष्यत्व भरोसेमंद बनता है। भरोसेमंद बनता है। शिष्यत्व भरोसेमंद बनता है।
ಒತ್ತಡವನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆಗೊಳಿಸಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿದ್ರೆಯನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮಗೊಳಿಸಿ. ಭಯ ಮತ್ತು ಚಿಂತೆಗಳಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮಗೊಳಿಸಿ. ಉನ್ನತ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿತ್ಯ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಯೋಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕ ಮನೋವಿನ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ತೊಡೆದುಹಾಕಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಜಾಗೃತಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಶಿಬಿರ. 7 ಪರಿವರ್ತನಾಕಾರಕ ಧ್ಯಾನ ತಂತ್ರಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಸಶಕ್ತಗೊಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆನಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜನ್ಮಸಿದ್ಧ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಮರಳಿ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ. ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧ್ಯಾನಪೀಠ, ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ನಗರ, ಬಿಡದಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ದೂರವಾಣಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ
0802 727 9999.
I tell you, the science of responsibility should be taught all over India, village to village. Every village, the science of these 4 principles should vibrate. I am sending my sannyasis. I am sending my sannyasis to beat the drum of the 4 principles, village to village, and teach in every street corners, teach in every temples, every ashrams, village to village, place to place, street to street. In India, these principles should be taught. People should be living it. Ashrams and temples should be happening. These 4 principles should be applied not just in your actions, in your very thinking, in your very feeling, in your very experiencing. In your very experiencing, I can see clearly, awakening of the Bharat is happening. We should be building thousands of ashrams, temples, where these 4 principles are taught as a principles of life, where Ayurveda is shared, food is shared, the Indian cultural practices are kept alive and shared, celebrated. Let's build Mahadev's Mandir everywhere, create Goshalas, Ayurveda and Siddha, medicine producing places and sharing places. Let's share food, enrich people, building temples, ashrams, creating the space where these 4 tattvas are lived, practiced, enriched. Every house should become ashram, living these 4 principles. Every village should become community of satsang, living these 4 principles. Thousands of communities should be established in US and all over the world, where these 4 principles are established, practiced. I am creating sannyasis just for this one purpose. We should reach out village to village and build temples and ashrams. मैं इसी कारण सन्यासियों का निर्माण कर रहा हूँ. Everywhere, the ashrams and temples, practicing these 4 principles. हमें भारत की हर गांवों में पहुंचनी होगी और इन 4 तत्वों के आधार पे जीवन शैली को स्थापित करनी होगी. When you take responsibility, wealth, life, everything follows. We should build schools where these 4 principles are taught. ashrams where these 4 principles are lived, goshalas, temples. चालिए हर जगह पर महादेव के मंदिर बना, गौशाला, आयुर्वेदा और सिद्धा के संचा स्थानों को बनाए, भोजन का सजा करे और लोगों को लाभान्वित करे. Just like this Bidadi campus, we should just multiply people living these principles. It can happen only whoever has heard this principle when you start living. आइए आप और हम मिलकर भारत का नव निर्माण करें. इस मंगल कार्य में आप भी भाग लीजिए. हर घर को एक आश्रम बना चाहिए जहाँ एक 4 तत्व जिए जाते हैं. हर गांव को एक समुदाय बना चाहिए जहाँ इन 4 तत्वों का लगातार सत्संग होता है. विश्व भर में समुदाय बने चाहिए जहाँ इन 4 तत्वों का लगातार अभ्यास होता है. Indians lost the grace of running towards America. Fortunately, Americans are moving towards India to learn the science of life. From all over the world, people are moving towards India to learn the science of life. Bring integrity and authenticity and responsibility as breathing to your life. This solves all the questions of your life. Because these 3 principles, when you start living with enriching, these 4 principles are Swayam Prakasa, self-illuminating, self-effulgent. ईश्वरत्व की स्थिति में आप सभी रूप में धन एवं संपत्ति को प्राप्त करके उसका आनंद अनुभव कर सकते हैं. आज की सत्संग का सारांश है, दुनिया भर से सारे लोग जीवन के विज्ञान का अभ्यास करने के लिए भारत की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं. आज की सत्संग का सारांश है, लगातार अपने अंदर एवं बाहर होने वाली जीवन का उत्तरदायित्व लीजिए और अपने अंदर एवं बाहर ईश्वरत्व का अनुभव कीजिए. केवल उस ईश्वरत्व की स्थिति में आप सही रूप में धन एवं संपत्ति को प्राप्त करके उसका आनंद अनुभव कर सकते हैं. कल के सत्संग में हम जीवन का 4थे तत्व लाभान्वित करने से कैसे धन एवं संपत्ति को पा सकते हैं, इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 09742203311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/lifeblissfoundation.